Chapter 9, Simple Interest and Compound Interest. Exercise 9a. First of all, terms used in simple interest. You have studied in previous classes what is the simple interest. See, terms used in the formula simple interest. Principal. Principal means, what is the principal? Principal means the money is taken or given. Money is borrowed or it is given is called principal. And interest means extra charge is given. Suppose that I took 100 rupees and after 1 month I am giving 10 rupees extra. So this is principal, this is interest. Okay, and amount equal to principal plus interest. This is the amount. And rate, what is rate? A rate R means suppose that 10%. So on rupees 100 we are giving rupees 10 extra. It 10% means on 100. Then on 500 rupees 500, if 10% is there, then 50 rupees extra. This is interest and this is principal. Amount equal to principal plus interest means 500 plus 50 equal to rupees 550. So principal, the money which is taken or given is called principal. Interest, extra charges. Rate on 100, extra charges given on 100. On 100 whatever is given, it is rate of interest. Okay, so and time, you know, simple. Time is 1 year, 2 year, monthly we are taking the 1 month, 2 month. Okay, now after this main formula used in simple interest. Formula for simple interest, to find the simple interest. Simple interest, SI equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. If you want to find the principal, then principal equal to SI into 100 upon rate into time. If we have to find rate, then SI into 100, principal into time. If we want to find time, SI into 100 upon rate into P into R, principal into rate. Okay, amount equal to principal plus SI. If we find, if amount and principal both are given, then SI equal to amount minus principal. Okay, these are the formulas. 1. What will be the simple interest? Means we have to find SI. What will be the simple interest? For 1 year 4 month on rupees 25,800 at the rate of 14% per annum. Means time equal to 1 year 4 months. 1 plus 4 upon 12 this year. Okay. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Means 1 whole 1 upon 3. Means 3 1s are 3. And 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 upon 3 years. Okay, then rate equal to 14% per annum. Then SI you know very well, PRT upon 100, P 25,800 it is given, R 14 4 upon 3 upon 100. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 3 8 ja 24 and 3 6 ja 18. Now 86 into 56, 14 4 ja. Then 86 you multiply by 56, 6 is a 36, 6 8 ja 48, 51, 5 6 ja 30, 5 8 ja 40, 43, then 4 8 1 6. It is rupees 4816. This is the answer. Question number 4. Find the principal on which a simple interest of rupees 55 will be obtained after 9 months at the rate of 3 whole 2 upon 3% per annum. So simple interest SI equal to rupees 55, then time equal to 9 months, will convert in years, in year 9 upon 12, because rate is given in yearly. 3 3 ja 3 4 ja, this year 3 upon 4 year. Then rate of interest is 3 whole 2 upon 3 per annum per year. Per annum is per year. 3 3 ja 9, 111 upon 3% per year per annum. Now we have to find the sum principal. P equal to SI into 100 R into T. SI 55 into 100, rate 11 upon 3, time 3 upon 4, 3 3 cancel, 4 will go up. So 55 into 100, 4 upon 11, 11 1 ja 11 5 ja, 5 4 ja 20 and 100 ja 2000. This is the principal. 7. A person deposited rupees 400 for 2 years, rupees 550 for 4 years, and rupees 1200 for 6 years at the same rate of simple interest. If he received a total interest of rupees 1020, what is the rate of interest per annum? Let the rate of interest be R% per annum. So means 3 times we have to find interest. For 400 we will find interest, for 550 we will find interest, and for 1200 we have to find the interest. We will add all and we will make equal it to 1020. Then we can find R. So direct we can do principal into R because rate is same, time upon 100 plus P2 R same, T2 upon 100 plus P3 R into T3 upon 100. P means principal, rate, time. Okay. Principal different and 1020. Principal 400 into R, this suppose, and T 2 years upon 100. Okay, plus 550 into R into 4 upon 100 plus 1200 into R into 6 upon 100 equal to 1020. 0 0 0 0 0 0 5 11 ja 5 2 ja 2 2 ja 0 0 0 0. It is 8R plus 22R plus 72 r equal to 1020. It is 102 r equal to 1000, r equal to 1020 upon 102 tenza. Okay, then 10% per annum. This is the answer of question number 7. Now question number 10. Simple interest on a certain sum is 16 upon 25 of the sum. Find the time in years if the rate, percent and time are equal. Let a rate of interest be r% per annum. Means r equal to r% per annum, then time equal to also r year. Then let principal be x, let principal be rupees x. Okay, let p equal to, like this we can write, let p equal to rupees x. Okay, then si equal to simple interest equal to 16 upon 25 of x, of the sum is of x. It is 16 upon 25 x of this multiply. Now we know very well the formula SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. It is 16 upon 25 x, principal x, R, small r into small r upon 100, R into x we can cancel. Now it is 16 upon 25 equal to r square upon 100. Then r square upon 100 equal to 16 upon 25. Then r square equal to 16 upon 25 into 100. 25 4 100, it is 64. R square, r equal to square root 64 is 8. Time equal to 8 years.